Well, I don't know about all y'all, but I remember way back in the day. Now, I'm not sure I've met all of y'all, but Brenda, Bucky Beaver, and I remember in school, we used to have to, those teachers used to teach with chalk. Think of how much better things are today. We don't teach with chalk anymore. We actually get dry erase. We actually can use our computers. I mean,
And I just want to,
remember those days?
yeah, I just want to encourage you on being so positive. You know, that's a really good thing to do today because there's so much negativity. And the fact that you just centered on what's good that's really encouraging, and that's really great. I'm just wanting to praise you on that.
Well, you know, as a community activist, I'm just very heartened by the fact that that they're doing what the kids now, or the people now, call service learning. You know, where in Hall County, at least, they every student is involved in providing a public service to the community.
Now, y'all remember, long time ago, back when I was a teacher, you know, we had to walk uphill in the snow barefooted to reach the classroom. And we had to be there early to get everything set up. Education is in such a better place now than it used to be.
It is. It is in such a wonderful place. And I have to tell you, my children absolutely love it. As a matter of fact, I can't wait for all 6 of them to go back to school. It shouldn't be just any time now. I'm telling you, I just love it when they come home with all those wonderful projects. I really have been missing those projects lately. Anyhow, I just can't wait until they go back. They're excited. I'm super excited. My favorite thing to do is carpool, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, super excited. So excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
I'm excited when the kids when their new styles come back into style for me. Those are things that I wore decades and decades and decades ago, and now I can just pull them out of the box and I can wear them and I'm in style.
How can you be so excited about all this and so positive? I'm a mother of 3. I am freaking out. We don't know what's going to happen next year.
Well, let me just give you some encouragement that we are going back to school in August. So no worries. Now, at any moment, we might just shut right back down again, but no worries. We will encourage you through the whole thing.
I need to know everything that is going to happen. I need to plan because I have 3 kids that I have to take care of.
I would suggest you fill that cup back up with some alcohol and just relax, honey.
Oh, no,
Everything will be fine.
Water.
We'll just put everybody in our Volvo station wagons and take them to school together in the carpool, and they'll get along and it'll be fine.
No, my husband take them to school. I drive my Mercedes-Benz convertible, only 2 people fit in my car.
Well, that's
I'm thinking we should just take a moment and think of a really fun song that we could sing right here on our front porch.
Well, butter my biscuit. That's just the best idea I've heard all day. We all need to be positive. How about Kumbaya? You know, that always gets me in the best spirit. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya.
I know the song.
Kumbaya.
Kumbaya. Oh, doesn't everybody just feel better? I could go bake something. I need to do that.
Hey friends, just sitting here on my porch with all of my old neighbors talking about how great school is. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to get back so we can make more TikToks in the bathroom. Yay! Out.
Oh, that must be Tina Bopper.
I don't know about you, but I need to know what's going to happen. My kids need to be protected, and all teachers have to wear masks, and we have to be, and if they close down the school again, what am I going to do with 3 kids at home?
Oh,
What did you
no,
do last year?
no worries. We'll give them a computer before they leave school. It's
And I have
okay.
to homeschool them?
Yes, but no worries. We're going to encourage you through it all.
And your teachers have been, as far as I understand, receiving training over the summer about how they can make this schooling particularly compelling and engaging for students.
I see. When I see it, I believe it when I see it.
Well, I've been at basketball conditioning all summer and I feel fine. So I'm sure your kids will be fine too.
Okay.
Well, back in my day, we didn't have any training. We just used plain old common sense.
Well, that's just the sweetest thing I've ever heard. And common sense is the right thing, but just always remember to be encouraging to everybody, to just lift everybody up. And if they're having a bad day, look, you could even write them a note. You could leave a note in their box at school, cook a meal for them, just spread encouragement. Babysit for them if they need to. I mean, just help them out. Just go pick up somebody's baby and just say, oh, looky there, I'm just going to give you the afternoon off and I'll keep your baby.
I don't know. I still have to decide if I'm going to keep him at home or send him to school. I have what? 3 more weeks? 4 more weeks? We shall see. Anybody else want to convince me opposite?
Well, I'm just thinking that I need some sweet tea, and I did make some peach cobbler. Would anybody like for me to get you some sweet tea and peach cobbler?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay.
Will there be kids there?
Thank you.
It's so good that we can all agree that education is in such a good place that we can take time out to share some food and just be together as neighbors.
And you know what else I heard? I heard that they're giving teachers a raise.
Now, that's a great encouragement.
They deserve it.
Excellent, y'all. Great job, rockers, too. And whenever y'all are ready, I'll start the time.
All right. Now, I have not been in the education system, nor do I have kids, but my cat goes to a daycare, and they're doing great. So I think we should be good.
Well, it's been a long time since I was in school, and I lived up in Cleveland back in the 1930s, and we couldn't even go to school until I was in high school, and we had to walk 2 miles just to get to the bus. And then I only went for 2 years because we taught ourselves out of one whole book for the whole high school. So I can't imagine what these kids are having to go through these days with all this virtual kind of learning. I mean, what in the world is that? I don't even know what these technological things are. What is an Apple phone? You're supposed to eat it while you talk on it? I mean,
No, you have to use it for school. Now, my college that I just, they put us online back in March. They've already started next quarter. They said it's all online. I'm so glad because there's no way they would be able to sanitize everything that we need. And, I don't even know if my car would make it there this year.
Listen, I'm going to tell
Falling
you.
apart.
I'm going to tell y'all right now. We're going to win. We're going to go out there. We're going to get into the classroom. We're going to do what we have learned to do. We're going to
What is wrong with this lady?
No,
Do you have your face mask?
We're going to go get it done.
Nothing's
No,
gonna
no.
get done. This is all gonna be terrible.
We've just
I
gotta
agree.
get kids back in
This is
school.
our
I've got to
Super
work. I've got 3 kids and they need to go back to school. And
It ain't
this is
gonna
just too
happen.
much.
Are you going to send them in hazmat suits?
No, you know what?
It doesn't matter what jersey you want. It doesn't matter what jersey.
Are you
We're gonna
kidding
be
me? I mean, come on. I mean, this is just too much. Just send these kids back. They'll be fine.
If they make me go back, I'm packing Clorox wipes, hand sanitizers, a face shield, 3 masks per
two for in the morning, or 4 masks, excuse me, 2 for in the morning, 1, you know.
You might as well not go back. You just stay
I don't
where
plan
you
on it.
are.
Well, I hope as long as they do go back, they make it safe. I have 5 children that teach and 4 grandchildren that teach, and I told them they aren't coming anywhere.
You guys might as well live in a bubble. I mean, my kids are out there eating dirt right now, and they're just fine.
That explains everything.
Hey, don't put that dog in your mouth. Stop eating the dog.
Aren't I a lucky person getting to live next to her?
That's so unsanitary.
For a minute, I've been teaching for 42 years, and the problem is that we have gotten away from good old-fashioned books and literature.
Books? Who has books anymore? Look, it's all on the phone. Go on your phone right now, and you can get the latest assignment. But, you know, I don't have time to be teaching my kids. That's what teachers are paid for. I mean, right now I just feel like I'm paying for them to be on vacation.
Guys, I got the plan. I got the plan. We stay 6 feet apart the whole time. We stay 6 feet apart.
Not gonna happen.
We
don't need to be further than that.
Don't go to the germs. You got to wear your protective gear. Okay? We all
What is protective gear? Is that like some big condom that people are wearing all the time?
Half of y'all can't even get your kids to wear clothes. You gonna trying to get them to wear masks?
I know.
I've seen your daughters on social
Players,
media.
you stop taking my kids' clothes. I saw my kids' clothes at your house. I saw that. I saw it.
100 years we've been wearing protective gear. Your little Nancy's can get out there and they can wear it also.
I knit the most amazing sweaters. There's lavender oil knitted in them.
The girls don't wear sweaters. They wear cut-off shorts, and they get dress coded every day.
I'm going to move my rocking chair.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, if my Leonard saw those cutoffs on any of our girls, you best believe he'd make them march their butts right back in the house.
Well, tell him to sit on the driveway, because he'll see half the neighbors' daughters walking by with them.
Oh,
you know what? There's nothing wrong with those cutoffs. I wear those cutoffs all the time. When I go to work, it shows off all the artwork. I mean, you know, it's freedom of choice, freedom of expression. What's wrong with that?
Well, we are in a pandemic.
Don't
Tell you what's wrong with that. We all got to be in a uniform. We all got to do it together. We can do it together.
Hey guys,
I'll be by myself.
I'll be quiet. It's my turn.
You've been by yourself the whole time anyways. What are you talking about?
Be quiet. Come on. I'm a stay-at-home mom too, and I take care of my children every day, and I teach them just like they need to be taught. The teachers are doing a great job, and I just think that whatever they go back to do, we've got to support them, and we've got to do our best because that's our job. Let's all be a big old family. So quit being so negative and quit whining. Just put your big girl panties on, and let's get it done. Because
let's talk about team player. Let's
our
go.
kids.
Oh no, your kids are in my garden again. Go, Gail, go get your kids out of the garden.
Hey, I am doing everything. I've been singing on the side. I've been cooking up and selling. Listen, I'm about ready to go on the road. So them kids have got to go back. And then y'all just do your job. I'll do mine. See y'all. Bye. I'm leaving this porch.
Tell y'all, y'all
I'm done. I'm done.
Get your exercise in before you go to bed tonight.
I just got to a good part. Excuse me. The lion has just been resurrected.
What lion are you talking about?
My fabulous.
You know how to read?
Yes, I know how to read. I am in college. Excuse you. This is my 3rd year. I'm still undeclared, but that's okay.
Still undeclared.
She knows how to read. All of my family's been her teachers. They have taught her the way.
They have done wonderful.
Well, maybe you wouldn't be undeclared if you actually went on campus every now and then.
I feel like Walt Whitman right now. I think I could turn and live with the animals. They're so placid and self-contained. They do not sweat and whine about their condition.
That sounds dirty.
Why don't you just go live with them then?
Have fun.
Well,
was a
to
little
each
dirty.
their own. Everybody's not going to be happy with the way that it is. So we might as well just agree to disagree, and we will all still be fine, good, happy neighbors, and still live here on Mulberry Lane. And
We
we'll get
will
along.
finish this on the Facebook page. I will see y'all on the neighborhood Facebook.
Oh, yeah,
You
I
have a
got you on Facebook. I saw your husband roaming around looking at my pictures.
Nobody uses Facebook anymore. You got to Insta it all the time.
Y'all, All right, 2 teams. Awesome, y'all. Are we worn out now? So much energy from those 2 teams. I think some people are going to. There's some fighting on that porch, I think.
I know.
So, I'm not trying to be sexist here, but it really is hard to get a word in if you're a man.